Alright, today we're going to take a quick look at this guitar rack. The company did send it over and compensate me to make this video. And this has 9 slots in it, so you can put acoustic guitars, electrics, basses, a combination of each. It's really simple to put together, so you'll notice here on the top, first of all, these little pegs, you screw those in, and then those little plastic pieces, you just screw all the pieces down and hold it together. And it does fold down as well, so if you need to fold it up, put it in the car, or fold it up and put it backstage or something, you can do that. Get it out of the way, slide it under the bed, and it's all the padding and everything on here is really nice, and it seemingly will last a very long time. So I'm just going to put my acoustic guitar on here just to show you, and you can maybe put 9 acoustic guitars on here. It might be a tight fit, but if you had a variety of different sizes, they'll definitely work. And it's super stable, and I'm pretty impressed with it. So if you're looking for a multiple guitar stand option, then this could be the one for you. I hope this video helps.